we are now going to discuss the 7 qualifiers in today's single table matchup. मैं ready हूँ. सबसे पहले in today's match मेरे को discuss करना है Aditya Sharma ko, who will be representing the Lucknow Kings.
Arush Pratap, who's a sports enthusiast, of course keen interest in cricket, football, and of course poker.
Representing the Bengaluru All-Stars, the new team on the block. Sunny would be definitely looking to make a mark in this match.
Jai Kishan Jangid, representing the Deccan Aces. ये मेरे हिसाब से ना प्रजित काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेयर है बिकॉज ये काफी टाइम से पोकर प्रोफेशनली खेल रहे हैं.
प्रदीप घोष, who is also a big time professional poker player. ये पिछले 11 साल से पोकर खेल रहे हैं.
अंकित जैन, representing the Kolkata Wizards. Ankit comes in with many years of experience.
Rajiv Kumar, representing the Mumbai Anchors. With the cards in the air and us commentating on the gameplay, stay tuned. I hope everybody's does, because our plan here at Poker Sports League is to not just show poker but also help you understand the game so that you yourself could be a part of the league, playing live on JioCinema, just like these 7 qualifiers you see in front of you. All of them have entered the league for free by playing the qualifiers on Pocket 52 and showcasing their talent among thousands of people.
Absolutely, and I'll just take you through one story, Prajit, yahan अपन बात करें, because action is on Aditya and he was bought by the Lucknow Kings for 90,000 rupees.
That is amazing.
So आप सोच सकते हो कि जिसकी biggest win 2000 थी and उन्हें 90,000 reward मिला है, what it does for his poker career and plus
the confidence, just every single thing, the affirmations. अब वो उनके parents देख रहे होंगे इनको खेलते हुए यहाँ पे. Look at this again, pressure being applied here, targeting that Jack X is Ankit Jain. He just has a pair and a draw at this point in time, but वहाँ पे उनका काफी बड़ा pair.
But Aditya here also with the top pair and a gut shot. He's looking for a 9 and he gets the 9. This is interesting, and both complete their straights.
Yes.
So Prajit, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
छोटी straight.
8, 9, 10 Jack Queen.
Absolutely बड़ी straight. और यहाँ पे ये काफी troublesome हो सकता है अंकित के लिए जब वो यहाँ पे bet करेंगे. See, एक heart complete होता है तो इससे कहीं ना कहीं wow. Did I see a check?
Absolute.
Unbelievable. Pradeep, who's taken this particular pot down, और साथ ही साथ ace king उठा लिया उन्होंने.
मैंने आपको कहा था start में कि the tide will turn, and that is something which we are seeing right now. Yes, absolutely. And you know what a win today does for the Gujarat Falcons? They're at second right now, and a 10-pointer would be a lot. But of course, बहुत time बचा है अभी तक, all 7 players involved with his pocket 7s.
टाइम पे इंटरनेट मैसअप हुआ है.
And guess what?
Wow, not a set but a full house.
Absolutely.
Look at that. Pradeep knows it's sort of a very dryish board with queen 7 queen paired board, but dry है. कोई real flush draw नहीं है उसके ऊपर, and connectivity के chances बहुत low होते हैं. But आप समझें कि आदित्य की इतनी high connected, now that could be trouble for Pradeep, honestly speaking.
Disaster card for Pradeep there.
Look at that. What is Aditya going to do? Aditya has played this hand really passively. Pradeep also knows कि Aditya call नहीं करते हैं जब तक उनके पास कोई strong connectivity now. By just checking, but no, he wants to build the pot and he wants to get enough chips in the pot so that he can most likely go all in on the river. वो उसी चीज के लिए setup करने की कोशिश में है इस sizing के साथ. Aditya with the min raise, extremely confusing for Pradeep here. Sort of a no-brainer here from Aditya कि उन्होंने क्यों किया ये वाली चीज. Oh my God! End of conversation.
God. This is it.
Pradeep, what a gin card. Running like a boss man. Oh my God, runner king. Changing the tide completely in his favor. From a very comfortable situation of having a full house on the flop, Aditya counter हो चुके हैं. Turn पे king, river पे king. इस वक्त for the audience, प्रदीप जीत रहे हैं with his full of kings, full of queens, और आदित्य हार रहे हैं यहाँ पे. अगर वो कॉल कर देंगे तो प्रदीप ने पूरा प्रेशर लगा दिया.
Prajit, this is, I feel bad for Aditya right now. This is sad, but if he finds a fold here, that will be amazing. If he finds a fold here,
I think जिस हिसाब से ये हैंड गया है और उनके टर्न पे रेज के कॉल आया था, फोल्ड करना करेक्ट डिसीजन है.
Huge shout out to Aditya there. I
Wow.
agreed it was fold right था, but बहुत मुश्किल भी था, Rajat.
100% in my opinion वो रन आउट ऐसा था कि कभी कभी लोग कहते हैं यार है तो है, मैं कर रहा
मैं तो जा रहा
हूँ,
हूँ,
बट यहीं पे एक स्किल्ड पोकर प्लेयर की पहचान होती है जिसने कहा यार गाइस आई हैव टू रियली थिंक, अगर क्वीन भी है उनके पास तो भी बड़ा फुल हाउस है, किंग भी आ गया तो भी बड़ा फुल हाउस है, मैं कुछ बीट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, लेट मी फोल्ड। करा उन्होंने।
Absolutely. I'm just waiting कि आदित्य काश साइड में अगर जियो पे देख रहे हैं तो वो ये हैंड देख ले, उनके कॉन्फिडेंस को बहुत बिल्ड करेगा कि
10 मिनट के अंदर अंदर he'll be able to see that hand, but this could be a very crucial hand between Sunny and Pradeep. If Sunny decides to go all in, Pradeep, in my opinion, cannot fold his pocket nines, makes the snap call, nines versus Jack Queen, and we have our first elimination there in Sunny Prajapati.
GG's.
अब ये देखिए पूरी तरीके से ऑल इन हो चुके हैं आदित्य, और ये हैंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है बिकॉज जय किशन कुड डिसाइड टू ओपन, कुड डिसाइड टू जस्ट गो ऑल इन। अगर वो ऑल इन जाएंगे तो शायद प्रदीप एस्केप कर जाए, और अगर वो छोटा ओपन करेंगे
But I've not seen him open as yet. Where we be ace king, he is the one who's putting it all in
या
with two people left behind him.
एब्सोल्युटली, जिनमें से एक जन उन्हें कवर भी करते हैं। इजी डिसीजन हो गया वहां पे फोल्ड करने का।
Just explain करिए with the move of Jay Kishan here when he puts half his stack in. What is he trying to say? Because अगर अभी jam आ गया तो he's not folding this for sure. So is this, what does this convey?
वो उन्होंने, मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, यहाँ पे एक एलिमिनेशन देखते हुए साथ ही साथ आदित्य suddenly the tables have turned. Ankit now has a free hand. He can start going all in with whatever he likes. Let's see what happens now.
I'm going to give you some trivia. Pradeep Ghosh का favorite hand है Jack 10 suited. Can you imagine, Prajit? यहाँ वो, if he does, I told you
He's gone all in.
Yes, Jack 10 suited में वो fold नहीं करते.
और राजीव बहुत टाइम से सोच रहे थे, एक और पॉकेट पेयर पहले उठाया था उन्होंने, इस बारी पॉकेट थ्रीज फिर से उठा लिए हैं और कॉल आ गई है, 10 लग चुका है एंड 3 ऑन द टेबल। He's doubled up thrice now.
Absolutely.
कहाँ जाते हैं किशन, अपन लाइव उम्मीद है मेरे बाहर 5 पे हेड्स अप करेंगे।
Jay Kishan was almost out. Ankit was almost out.
15 मिनट के लिए।
And literally, look who left us.
Absolutely.
Good luck.
Good luck, good luck. It's King 10 versus Ace 8 looking for a 10 or a king, and there is one more elimination.
Wow.
Waiting for the right hand.
Yeah, very tough for him to go and commit himself with that particular holding.
And that's a jam by Rajiv with his Ace 7 off.
बिल्कुल।
ये जो फाइनल टेबल पे जब कोई प्रेशर अप्लाई करने लगता है तो चिप लीड, उसे देखने का मजा ही अलग होता है।
Look at that, Ankit still giving a thought, and I think he is going to call here Ace-7 versus 8. 8 and Ace-7 it is.
Beautiful.
मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है इस वक्त. I think it's going to go all in this hand.
Absolutely, I think this is the final hand.
Arush thinking about King 9 versus Ace 9. And it is done and dusted here. These were the 7 players who competed today, and out of which Rajiv Kumar smashed it for the Mumbai Yankees, scoring 10 points. और यही फर्क होता है first और second में, because Arush
Huge
still
difference.
standing.
I'm excited
for
to see that.
dogs because
Yes.
things are shuffling up and they will change every single day. The Lucknow Kings still
Maintaining the
in
lead.
the lead, but
Maintaining the
just
lead.
by 1
Yes,
point. But
absolutely.
look who's here? Mumbai Yankees on
What a
second
jump.
place, last to second, already seeing massive swings, and we've just started off.